wanted to do this short video on my setup here that sometimes I use with my iPad. I see many of you having iPads and you set them up very interesting ways, but this arm right here, you'll see it on the left hand side as I zoom in. This is one of the best setups, and right now I have this attached to my easel, but you can attach this arm to anything. You can kind of see how it you can move this into any position you wish. And then I have my iPad on this, and that way I can move it into any position I want. I'm kind of backing off from this. And let me go, let's see, I'll show you the sort of the back of this right there. There we go, you see it better. So it's kind of attaches to the iPad, such as this, and you can get different size holders. I have the iPad Pro, but you can get any kind of iPad. If you have even an iPad Mini, I think they sell holders for this. But you can attach this the arm that you see down here, to anything. Doesn't have to be attached to the easel. Right now I have it attached to the easel, but again, anything you have around you, it'll clamp to it. So it's a really cool device that I think you could definitely use, because I see many of you kind of setting up the iPad in many strange things, and I think this would solve your problem. So I'm going to give link to each of the parts, because there's a few parts to this, and the cool part is that it doesn't matter if your iPad gets old, this will stay. It's sort of like an easel. It'll stay, again, it'll stay for a long time while you might replace your iPad.